Chapter 9, Reproduction in Animals. Keywords: 1. Reproduction. 2. Mammals. 3. Incubation. 4. Embryo. 5. Albumen. 6. Tadpole. 7. Metamorphosis. 8. Molting. 9. Locust. 10. Chrysalis. 11. Pupa. 12. Caterpillar. 13. Leaves. 14. Nymph. 15. Cockroach. 16. Riverbank. Looking back, answer the following questions. 1. If reproduction does not happen, do you think life on Earth can continue? Why? Answer: no, life on Earth cannot continue without reproduction. Reproduction helps produce young ones that help to continue life on Earth. 2. Name one more animal that gives birth to babies. Answer: the two animals that give birth to babies are cows, human beings. 3. Name three animals whose young ones do not look like their parents. Answer: the three animals whose young ones do not look like them are A. Butterfly, B. Frog, C. Grasshopper. 4. Name one more difference between a butterfly and a caterpillar, other than what they look like. Hint: what do they eat? Answer: caterpillar eat leaves and butterflies drink nectar from flowers. Notes: 1. Metamorphosis. The process by which some animals like frogs go through several stages to become an adult is called metamorphosis. 2. Molting. The process by which animals shed their old skin is called molting. Exercises. A. Multiple choice questions. 1. Which of these is not an egg-laying animal? A. Grasshopper, B. Sparrow, C. Cat, D. Turtle. Answer is C. Cat. 2. An egg contains A. Yolk, B. Shell, C. Albumen, D. All of these. Answer is D. All of these. 3. Which of these is not a stage in butterfly's life cycle? A. Pupa, B. Nymph, C. Caterpillar, D. Egg. Answer is B. Nymph. 4. Which of these insects goes through the most number of stages in its life cycle? A. Cockroach, B. Butterfly, C. Grasshopper, D. Locust. Answer is B. Butterfly. 5. Which of these animals digs pits in sandy river banks to lay eggs? A. Crocodile, B. Butterfly, C. Fox, D. Fish. Answer is A. Crocodile. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Mammals feed their babies with their own milk. 2. In the eggs, the yolk contains food for developing baby. 3. When the eggs of a frog hatch, tadpole come out. 4. The young cockroach that hatches out of the egg is called a nymph. 5. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. C. Mark tick for true and cross for false statements. 1. All animals feed their babies with their own milk. Cross. 2. The white part of a bird's egg is called the albumen. Tick. 3. A frog goes through 4 stages in its life cycle. Tick. 4. Some animals lay thousands of eggs at a time. Tick. D. Name the animals and the stage in its life. Figure A. Butterfly stage is larva. B. Butterfly stage is pupa. C. Frog stage is tadpole. E. Answer the following questions. 1. Here is a diagram of a bird's egg. Label the yolk and the albumen. How is the albumen useful? Here, first one is albumen. The center of the egg, which is yellow in color, is known as yolk. Albumen is useful as it protects the embryo and provides water and nutrients to it. 2. How do birds hatch their eggs? Answer. The mother bird lays the eggs and after that sits on the eggs to warm them. This is called incubation. After a few weeks, when the baby birds are fully developed, the eggs break open and the baby birds come out. 3. Name 2 animals that lay their eggs in water. Answer. The 2 animals that lay their eggs in water are A. Fish, B. Frog. 4. What is a tadpole? What does it look like? Answer. A tadpole is the baby frog that hatches out of the egg. It looks like a fish. 5. Name all the stages in the life cycle of the following animals. 1. A butterfly. 2. A cockroach. Answer. The stages in the life cycle of butterfly are A. Eggs, B. Caterpillar, C. Pupa, D. Adult butterfly. 2. The stages in the life cycle of a cockroach are A. Eggs, B. Nymph, C. Adult cockroach. Higher order thinking skills. 1. What do you think will happen if hens stop laying eggs? Answer. If the hens stop laying eggs, then the population of hens will start decreasing and after a while there will be no hens in the world. 2. You know that fishes lay thousands of eggs at a time. Most of the eggs and young ones that hatch are eaten by other fishes. Suppose all eggs and young ones survived to become adult fishes. What problem do you think can arise? Answer. If all the eggs of the fishes survived, then the number of fishes will increase a lot and the amount of the food they eat will decrease.